Good morning. Today we will discuss the smallest data in an array. Array means number of memory locations. In number of memory locations, now to find out which data is smallest. Suppose n number of data 5. We have to find out the smallest data in 5 numbers. Okay. Data address 8500H. 8500H. Data 1 FEH. 8501 05H, 8502 DDH and 8503H, 96 and 8504H, 48H. This is for data 1, data 2, data 3, data 4 and data 5. Now to find out the smallest data, the given 5 numbers starting from 85002 to 8504. First data FE. First data FE, second data 05, third data BD, fourth data 96 and fifth data 48. Now to find out which data is smallest, the given array. For that, in smallest program, first we have to compare first data with FF. FF is the largest data in 8-bit. Okay, in smallest program, the largest data in 8-bit is FF. The FF data first we have to compare with the first data. Now to compare these two, which one is the smallest? Now FF data, to load any one of the 8-bit internal memory address location. Any one of the 8-bit internal memory address locations. First we have to initialize the 8-bit internal memory address FF. That FF data we have to compare with the external memory address location data. Now to compare these two, the smallest data always to move 8-bit external memory. 8-bit external memory. Okay. And to set the number of data, now to set the number of data 5. We have to set the counter. Okay, now to decrement the counter value till 0. The counter value is 0, the smallest data available in 8-bit internal memory address location. That internal memory address location data, we have to store the next memory address location of the final data. Or we can store the 8600 address to store the smallest data. Okay, first we have to set the counter number of data and then to initialize the external memory address. In this address only the number of data will be stored. We have to initialize. And the next one, we have to initialize the 8-bit internal memory. 8-bit internal memory. In that memory, we have to load f of data. In smallest program, we have to load f of. In the largest program, we have to load 0, 0. In smallest program means we have to load 8-bit maximum value of data f of. In the largest program, we have to load 8-bit internal memory, smallest 8-bit data. What is it? Smallest 8-bit data 0, 0. And largest data in 8-bit f of. Okay? We have to compare first data with the f of. Now to compare these two, which one is the smallest? The smallest data always to move external memory, internal memory till the counter value 0. When the counter value is 0, the smallest data available internal memory, that data to store 8600 address. Okay. First, we have to initialize the number of data. Counter MOV R0, #05H. This is the number of data. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 05 to move into R0 register. Now to initialize the external memory address. For that we can use MOV data pointer PP PR, #8500H. Okay. After that, to initialize the 8-bit internal memory. Okay. In that memory, we have to load maximum data of 8-bit. The maximum 8-bit data is f of MOV. Suppose address is 40H. Internal memory, 8-bit memory. We can initialize any 8-bit memory, either 40, 50, 60, 70, like that. Okay, 40, we can load f of h. In microcontroller, the hexadecimal data, first the hexadecimal, the MSB data start with the hexadecimal. Before we have to initialize the 0. 0 f of h. Okay, the maximum value of 8-bit loaded into 8-bit internal memory. Okay. Next, first data to move accumulator. 8500 first data FE to move the accumulator. For that we can use MOV X A @DPTR. Okay. Now accumulator value A equal to FE. A equal to FE and internal memory address 40H data FF. Now to compare these two data. First we have to compare these two data. For that we can use CJNE. Compare jump if not equal. Now to compare these two data, if both data same or not. Compare jump if not equal. The both data not equal means jump to the given address. Which data we have to compare? Accumulator with the internal memory address location data. For that we have to initialize CJNE A, 40H and jump to where? Jump to the given loop 1. Jump to suppose loop 1. Jump to this here. Okay, jump to this address location. After this condition, okay, now to check whether it is carry or not. jump if result is no carry. Now to compare these two data. Okay. Compare jump if not equal. This condition will be satisfied or unsatisfied? Unsatisfied. Why? The both data are not equal. So jump to here. Now to check the carry status, whether the carry flag set or reset. When the carry flag will be set, the accumulator content is lesser than the second data. At that time the carry flag will be set. Now to compare these two data, whether the carry flag set or reset. Here the accumulator content is less than second data. Now the carry flag will be set. What is the meaning? The accumulator content is smallest data. So we have to move the smallest data to external memory. Internal memory. Accumulated data to move internal memory. Now jump if result is no carry means jump to loop 3. Now for this case the carry flag will be set condition. Set condition means it is not satisfied. So execute the next address. Next address means accumulated data to move the given internal memory address. For that we can use MOV A, MOV 40H, A. A data to move 40H. Now 40H FE data. After this one use short jump. Now data 1 compared with the maximum data of 8 bit. Next the maximum data compared. Next we have to compare with the 40 with the second data. For that short jump to loop 3. Jump to loop 3. Jump to here loop 3. Okay. Now to increment the data pointer address. Why? To get the second data. That increment INC DPTR. Now incremented number of data 5. One data compare with the maximum data. For that we have to reduce number of data. Now to decrement D, J, N, Z. Decrement jump if result is no zero. Which data? The counter data is available or 0. Now decrement if result is no 0, jump to loop 2. Jump to here loop 2 here. Loop 2. Now incremented data pointer address, this data to move into accumulator. Again compare accumulated data with 40H. Now accumulated data 05. Now to compare these two, both are equal or not? Not equal. Now this condition satisfied. Satisfied means jump to here and to check the carry status. Now the carry flag will be set condition. Now accumulated data is lesser than the internal memory address data. Now the carry flag set. So we have to move accumulated data to 40H. Okay. Now 40H 05. And then jump to short jump loop 3. Again increment data pointer address. Now data pointer address will be incremented 8502 address. Now the 8502 address data DD. Now decrement the number of data or 3 or 0 Now to check whether it is 0 or not. No, 0. Again jump to here. At the rate of dptr after stator to move accumulator. Accumulator db. Accumulator data db. Now to compare these two. Both data are not equal. Equal means now this condition satisfied. Jump to loop 1 and to check the carry setters. Here the carry flag will be reset condition. Why? The accumulator content is larger than the second data. So this condition satisfied. Satisfied means jump to loop 3. Directly jump to loop 3. No need to execute this one. Okay, directly jump to here and increment the data pointer address. Now the data pointer address 8503. After that, to decrement the number of data. Now this is not 0. 0 means jump to again here. Now data pointer address data to move accumulator. Now this data will be moved to accumulator 96. Now the 96 compared with 40. Both are not equal. So this condition satisfied. Jump to loop 1. Now to check the carry setters, whether the carry flag set or reset. Now the carry flag will be reset condition. Why? Accumulator content large. So this condition satisfied. Satisfied means directly jump to loop 3. Increment the data pointer. Now data pointer will be incremented 8504 address. And then decrement dj register or 0. Now also no 0. Again jump to here. Data pointer address data to move accumulator. Now accumulator 48. 48H. Okay. Now the 48H. And then compare with 0, 5. Here both are not equal. Again this condition satisfied. Jump to here. Now to check the carry status. This is also the carry flag will be reset condition. Why? The accumulator content largest. So directly jump to here and increment the dptr. After that decrement the r0. R0 will be 0. Now this condition unsatisfied. Unsatisfied means execute the next address location data. Here the smallest data available 40H. First we have to initialize the data pointer address. We have to initialize the data pointer address mov dptr #8600H. Okay, the smallest data available 40H. Okay, first we have to move the internal memory address data to accumulator. For that we can use mov a40H. Okay, 40H address data to move accumulator. Now the smallest data available 0, 5 in A register. Now the A register data to move this address location. For that we can use mov x at the rate of dptr, A. Okay, and this is the end of the program. We have to write short jump to this address location itself. This is the concept for to find out the smallest data in an array. Okay, suppose the both data are same. This condition will be unsatisfied. Now directly to increment the next address of data pointer. Why? The both data are same. Same means this is also 45 and this is also 45 means no need to move the data, accumulated data to 40. So we can directly compare with the next data. Okay. Suppose number of data hundreds. 100 in decimal, but in counter we have to initialize only hexadecimal. Now you have to initialize the 100 corresponding hexadecimal value 64H. Now to load the 64H, and then we can load the 100 data and to find out which data is smallest in 100 numbers. 8600, we can directly to show the result 8. This is the smallest data stored in 8600 address. We can directly to store 8600 address, or we can store the next address. We can store the next data address result. Also we can store. For that, instead of this one, remaining will be same thing. We can remove MOV DPTR comma hash 8600. We can remove and move A comma 40H means now the 40H 05 data available to move accumulator, and then accumulated data to move data pointer. Now the data pointer address is 8505 address. Why means this is already incremented. For this also, for this format also we can write. Okay. Thank you.